I wanted to show you something really cool here on the chart, and it's something that I talked about a lot in my training course and in my weekly training sessions. I talked about Elliott wave theory quite a bit, and one of the reasons is because I follow Alessio Rostani. I've also done my own independent learning, read through books, and been self-teaching for years. And it's something that I've gotten really good at spotting now. If you don't follow him yet on YouTube, go check him out, Alessio Rostani. And also, just another reminder here on my website, investlikemike.com. I'm going to be dropping a podcast this week with Benj Gallender. Go to the podcast page here, investlikemike.com/podcast, and you can hear the audio format or the video format, which will be right here at the top. So let's jump right into the S&P here. Why are we talking about Elliott waves? What are we looking at here? So if you look at the chart, you'll see there was an area here where there was really strong support, and it was really biting on to that area. So we have a support resistance area. So here it acted as support again. Here it acted as support again, but then it dropped. And now, so far, we can't go above it because it is resistance. So when we're looking at this, I'm saying to myself, are we going to break up above this resistance? Where are we going to go from here? So let's go zoom in here. And why are we talking about Elliott waves? So I'm going to draw this out here. And again, sometimes it's hard to see, but my eyes tend to see them pretty good here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have a 5 wave to the downside. And then to the upside, I see 1, 2, 3, just like we expect, right? Let's go again here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay. So this is our A, B, C, 1, 1, 2, 3 type correction with all of the little individual waves that I've just lined up here. So where are we going from here? We just hit resistance. Are we going to crash right now? And I don't think we are. I've been predicting throughout this drop to be in cash. I promoted cash back here and again over here, and we've gone much lower in the market since then. I've been promoting nibbling on stocks in this range here. Okay, I've been promoting, hey, if you want to grab some really good stuff, but maybe still have a bunch of cash on the side if you're not sure what's going to go on here. So, if you've been buying Apple or Microsoft or McDonald's or good stocks, you're already up because it has already bounced and turned around. And I mean, why wouldn't it go at least to this 50-day moving average, even if it was going to go lower? Okay, so right now that's where we are at. Now, why do I think it might go higher here? Why have I been calling for a summer rally throughout this entire drop? It's because even if something is meant to go lower, you have a staircase pattern, and I think we need another staircase up before going down if we are going to do that. Okay, so how many waves should we expect to the upside? Right? How many waves should we expect to the upside? Should we expect something like this, guys? Should we expect a 1, what are we going here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a huge bull market rally to the upside? Is that what's coming right now? Or should we expect that maybe the 5 waves are going to the downside, and right now we've done 1, 2, 3, we're going to do 4, and then 5 in the fall, maybe later on this year. That's what happened in 2008. If you go look at a chart for 2008, in June, in the summer, we bounced up, just like over here, okay, just like we're doing right now. And then the housing market collapsed, and the market went lower and did a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 style correction. So are we going to do that here? That's the big question. Now, I don't have the answer to that, but here's what I think right now. So right now, if you're trying to play this, I think what's going to happen is what happened over here. 1, 2, 3. I think we just did 1. We've hit this major resistance. Maybe we'll pop above it, but we'll probably drop down and then jump up here towards 43, 4400 range, around that 200-day moving average, and probably around this area here where you see there's some kind of support or resistance there. So I'm expecting a 1, 2, 3 type move here of some sorts. And then depending on if inflation stays high and if they keep hiking rates, And if things get messy and they go on TV and say the R word, if we are in a recession, if they start saying we are in a recession, we're going to probably see wave 5. Okay? So that's where I think we are at. That's not to scare anyone. I can't guarantee anything, but I think for now, I'm going to be betting higher in the summer unless something else weird happens.